Hi North Haven, this video is going to show you how to set the background of a Jamboard so that it's not really editable. Now the students will still technically be able to delete it because it is a picture, but that's a lot easier to bring back. You can just hit Control-Z, or over here on the left you can hit the reverse button. This would just be if you're worried about students accidentally moving things that you don't want to be moved in a slide in Jamboard or a jam. You might not have to do it for everything, but for instance, I'm going to show today how to do a chart, like if you wanted to have your students organize things in a chart, or maybe use that as an exit ticket where they put one thing they learned, one thing they want to know, something like that. And with that, you wouldn't want them to accidentally move the lines, especially with younger kids that might accidentally do it, or maybe students that have trouble following directions and might do it on purpose for humor, which is not, of course, something we want. So over here on the right of my screen, you can see my phone. What we're going to do is, to make this work, we're going to upload a slide. So I made a chart in a Google slide, and I'm going to put that in as an image into my jam. You could do this with other things too. You could do a worksheet and pull it in. You could do a problem and pull it in. You could do a schedule for the day and pull it in. I'm just going to show you with a chart. So on my phone, I downloaded the Jamboard app, and I'm going to click that on my phone. So from here on my phone, I'm going to click the jam that I want to add the slide to. And then I'm going to click the blue pencil edit button at the bottom right. So you'll see that it updated, because this jam over here is actually the same as this jam that I have open large on my computer screen. And I had deleted that slide in there, but it hadn't updated yet on my phone, and now it's updated on my phone. From here, I'm going to click this plus sign, and I'm clicking that on my phone. And then I'm going to click Drive Content, My Drive, and now I'm going to click the slide I want, which is this chart example. And then at the bottom, I'm going to click select. So now you'll see that I have the slide in here. And just like in the video that I showed before, if I try and edit it on the computer, it will let me move it around or rotate it, which I don't understand why it lets you rotate it. It's a little bit useless, but you can rotate it. If you click the three dots, it'll also let you delete it, but you can't do anything else on the computer. What you can do on your phone is, I'm going to click the three dots and then click expand. And now I'm going to select the select tool, which is that arrow in the center. And I'm going to click and hold with my finger the image of the slide and pull it out and drop it. And now you'll see that on both my phone and on the computer Jamboard, I now have an image of the slide that I can change the size of. So the actual slideshow, I can't do anything with, except pull out and drop them as images on my phone. So now what I can do is I can delete the slide, and then this image of the slide I can pull out and expand. And now students can't accidentally erase part of one of these lines or move them, because it's all combined as one image. And I can also, now that it's an image, I can click the three dots. And once I have other items on here, I can order it. So let's say that this was going to be an organization. Classifying words is like nouns versus verb versus adjectives, or science, maybe you're organizing them into kingdoms or phylums, or whatever, however you might do something like this in your classroom, whatever subject you are. So they're going to have sticky notes in, and you could put in an example sticky note. Now I have these sticky notes, and they're going to default to being in front of it. But also what I can do is I can click the three dots over here, click order. Since it's already sent to the back, I don't have to do that. But if, for instance, one of the students accidentally moved it, or if they deleted it and you added it back and the sticky notes aren't on top anymore, click the three dots, click send it back. And now you have this option where students can drag and drop things and move them around. And it's harder for them. They could accidentally move this chart, but even if they do that, it's going to be easy to put back into place. So that's how I would recommend kind of getting around having some things editable and some things not in class. Obviously, I could have also in the slide put the titles at the top, and then that would have been hard-coded into the image as well. So I hope that helps, and have fun with it.